Automated systems accurately record important production data. The animals are carefully cleaned before entering the next stage. The hides are transferred to the leather manufacturing department. The horns are processed into valuable specialty products. The horns are processed into valuable specialty products. Premium raw materials are transformed into high-value products. These magnificent Grey Brahman bulls begin their journey to a modern processing and manufacturing facility. Specialized transportation systems ensure safe and efficient movement of the animals. The animals have arrived at the advanced processing facility. Every animal undergoes a thorough health and quality inspection. The scanners provide real-time updates on vital signs. This ensures optimal health and quality standards. Automated systems accurately record important production data. The animals are carefully cleaned before entering the next stage. Advanced drying systems prepare the animals for processing. Every stage is monitored. Every stage is monitored through a modern digital tracking system. The hides are transferred to the leather manufacturing department.
Cleaning prepares the hides for high-quality leather production. High-pressure water automatically removes dirt and impurities.
Advanced cleaning technology ensures consistent quality. Automated inspection systems evaluate hide quality. The transformation into premium leather begins. Conditioning improves the quality and durability of the leather. Precise drying preserves texture and strength. Softening creates premium quality leather suitable for luxury products. The horns are processed into valuable specialty products. The horns are processed into valuable specialty products. Precision polishing enhances the natural beauty of the horn. Premium raw materials are transformed into high-value products. This process demonstrates how technology, quality control, and efficient manufacturing can transform raw materials into valuable products while minimizing waste. Advanced coloring technology creates a consistent and attractive leather finish. The finishing process improves durability, appearance, and performance. Only the highest quality leather proceeds to manufacturing. The horns are carefully prepared for specialty product manufacturing. Polishing reveals the natural beauty and value of the horn.
premium leather is transformed into high-quality luxury belts.
Advanced technology creates durable and stylish leather wallets. The finest leather is crafted into premium handbags. The horns are converted into unique decorative products. Different materials are combined to create premium finished products. Strict quality control ensures customer satisfaction. Automated packaging protects products during transportation. Each product receives identification for efficient tracking. Automation improves efficiency and product safety. The products are stored under ideal conditions before shipment. The products are prepared for national and international distribution. Efficient transportation systems deliver products worldwide. The products are now available for customers around the world. Customers appreciate the quality, durability, and beauty of these products. This factory demonstrates how technology, quality control, and efficient resource utilization can transform raw materials into valuable products while reducing waste and creating economic value. Finished products are prepared for delivery to customers around the world through advanced logistics networks. High-value products are often transported by air to ensure fast global delivery. Our robotic systems and real-time tracking ensure efficient loading and on-time departure. Automated distribution centers organize shipments with speed and accuracy. Regional logistics networks help products reach their destinations efficiently. The finished products are presented in luxury retail environments. The stitching on this wallet is impeccable.
And these horn pieces are stunning. The craftsmanship is just beautiful.
Every product reflects careful manufacturing and strict quality standards. The manufacturing journey continues as customers choose products that meet their needs. This one looks perfect for our needs.
Certainly, I'll package it securely. Thank you.
Quality materials and skilled manufacturing create products designed for long-term use. This process demonstrates the importance of technology, quality control, skilled workers, and responsible resource management in modern manufacturing.
Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the Grey Brahman White Horn and Leather Processing Factory. If you enjoyed what we do, please like and subscribe to learn with us. Bye, see you in the next video.